How's it going, guys? Welcome to JRsCorner. I noticed I always look at myself instead of the camera, and I need to stop doing that. It's a bad habit I need to fix. Alright, so today we are talking about my new TL, which you guys don't know about yet because I haven't released the video. I'm actually going to shoot some of the finishing video for that video tomorrow, which is why I'm doing this video today, because I'm going to fix this, or try to. We'll see how well it goes. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be clearing off the headlights. As you can tell, they're pretty fogged over, pretty gross. And I bought a kit. Hand me that. I bought me a kit that is supposed to clear all this up. Now, what I will say with this is I've done these in the past. I've seen these done in the past. And to be honest, I was amazed at the results. Now, what I'm using in my case, and I've actually got this side taped up already, getting ready to go here. I actually bought the Meguiars kit, Headlight Restoration Kit. It comes with the piece that you hook into your drill, and you basically clean it off, and then there's a magic little wipe in there that cleans them up. So we're going to give this a shot, see how well it works, and go from there. So, see what happens. Okay, so I went ahead and opened the box up. First and foremost, you're going to need a drill, like a regular drill with that kind of head on it, because they have this piece, the buffer that attaches to it. So you'll need that first and foremost. Now, I am going to say that I'm not quite thrilled with this as of right now, because I thought that there was a lot of the time they come with a kit that you can just put in your drill and it does all the work for you. Well, this one does not. So this one comes with what essentially is like a sander, right? It comes with a sponge of some sort. I assume that's to apply the final touch there. It comes with another pad that goes on here for sanding, and then you have two potions, or two chemicals, whatever. So the first one is plastics, which is your cleaner, and then you have this headlight sealant, which is your final touch there. So we're gonna just start going ham on this, see how far we can get, and hopefully it turns out all right. So we'll go into time lapse and get this all done, at least this side anyways, and go from there, I guess. Okay, so real quick, I got the sander on there. I'm using the 1000 grit. Now, something that it didn't actually, when I read the directions, because this is a little bit different than how I've done it in the past, it actually says to keep the sanding pad wet. So I went and got me a bucket of water, and I'm going to be dipping my sanding pad in the bucket of water as I go. And then you do it once you switch to the finer one, you do that again, and then we'll dry it off in between and go from there. So we'll see how this ends up. I'm kind of curious now. Okay, so that last step took, it was just the sealant. It says it takes about 15 minutes for it to cure, which means that you don't want to touch it, you don't want to disturb it for 15 minutes while it cures. But, can you guys see the difference? Like, let me show you the difference real fast. Here's the completed headlight that we just did. Okay. Let me get up over here to the other side. There's the other side. So it's a pretty big difference. And this camera actually makes it look cleaner than it really looks. Let's see here. Clean, done, not done. So if you ask me, makes a big difference. Definitely, you know, I was just planning on this being like a hold me over type thing. Because the new headlights that I want are like $500, and I ain't about to spend $500 on new headlights on this car quite yet. A few other things that need to be addressed first. So, really happy with it. Kind of excited to go drive it at night now because I want to see how much better it is at night. But all in all, that's how you do headlights. Rinse and repeat for the other side. And we're going to let this cure 15 minutes or so. We'll pop it off. And in tomorrow's video, which you'll actually see before this one, where I debut this car, you'll get to see him all shiny. So, anyway, have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. If you did, if you appreciate this kind of stuff, I appreciate likes and subscriptions. I appreciate likes and subscriptions. So, you know. Alright, anyways. Thanks for watching.